So you finished your Mounjaro journey. The weight is off. You are ready to move on. Now what? Here is the part nobody talks about enough. What happens when you stop? Because for a lot of people, that is when the real work begins. Let us talk about it. Rebound weight gain, tapering off safely, and how to stay stable when the medication ends. First, yes, weight regain can happen, and it often starts faster than people expect. One Reddit user put it this way: I was off for 2 weeks. Hunger slammed back in like a freight train. I gained 4 pounds without changing a thing. That is not rare. In fact, studies show that most GLP-1 users regain some weight after stopping, unless they make serious lifestyle changes, or taper off slowly. Which brings us to the taper. Stopping cold turkey, that is usually the hardest path. Appetite rebounds sharply, cravings return, mental food noise gets loud again, but tapering, that can soften the landing. Try spacing out your doses, one every 10 days, then every 2 weeks. Lower your dose gradually. Let your body relearn hunger without falling off a cliff. Another Redditor shared this. I went from 7.5 to 2.5, then to none. Took 2 months. I still gained back 3 pounds, but it was manageable. I felt in control. That is the goal. Not perfection, control. And if this helps you feel even slightly more prepared for what comes after Mounjaro, hit that like button. It helps more people find this part of the conversation, because honestly, it is not talked about enough. What else matters post-medication? Routine, high-protein meals, solid sleep, daily movement, even just 15 minutes, and mental support. You are not lazy if you feel cravings again. That is biology resetting. Remember, Tirzepatide helped calm your hunger, but it did not delete it. You are still in charge now, and you can absolutely stay steady. If you have already stopped Mounjaro or you are thinking about it soon, I want to hear from you. What has your experience been with maintenance? Drop it in the comments. We rate everyone. Next up, we are tackling side effects, how to manage nausea, fatigue, and gut stuff while on Mounjaro, and whether diet tweaks or supplements can help. Subscribe if you are still using the med, or just want tools to feel better through the process. See you soon.